Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. For today's activity, I'll be sharing something that I consider as my artwork, and that is writing stories on Wattpad. So I'll be sharing something very close to me, how I see and create art in my daily life. So when we hear the word art, we often think of painting, sculpture, or museum. But art isn't just about what we see. It's also about what we feel, create, and express. Maybe some people think writing is just a hobby, but for me, it's a form of art because it's how I express my thoughts, my emotions, and imagination. Writing has always been my safe space since I was young. So writing stories is my way of expressing my imagination and emotions. So through storytelling, I can create different worlds, characters, and situations that reflect real human experiences. For me, this is art because it touches the heart and connects people through words. So writing allows me to express who I am and what I feel.
Ever since I was a kid, I've always loved writing. I used to start with short stories in my notebook. Here is my work, please pause to read.
So when I was in high school, I started writing Wattpad stories, but I wasn't able to finish them because I was busy with school and sometimes lost my inspiration.
So here is my work when I was in high school with 1.1 key reads and 160 votes.
But now I'm in college, I decided to continue that passion. This time I started a new story on Wattpad and guess what? I already have 22 chapters in just 1 month.
The title of the story is Hearts Under Siege, and that is my story description. So this is my prologue with two keywords. It is an action romance story. Please landscape your phone.
For me, writing is a form or of artwork because it requires creativity, imagination, and emotion, just like painting and dancing. So every word I write feels like brushstrokes in painting. The characters I create are my masterpieces, and the story itself is like my canvas. So writing also lets me connect with people. When someone reads my story and say they were inspired or that they can relate, it feels like my art has touched someone's life, and that's the best reward for me. In every chapter I make sure there's a lesson about hope, trust, and believing in yourself. Writing this story reminds me that art doesn't always have to be visual. Sometimes words are enough to paint emotions and inspire others. So writing is my passion, my stress reliever, and my way of sharing who I am. If you also love to write, don't be afraid to share your story because every story matters. That's all for my vlog today. Thank you for watching. This has been Shona May Gabriel. And remember, art is not just seen, it's felt. So through this activity, I realized that art isn't only about what we see in gallery. It's about how we bring beauty, passion, and meaning into our daily life. So for me, art is everywhere in stories that inspire, in poems that touch hearts, and in meals that bring people together. Thank you for watching. my vlog, and I hope you also find art in your own life, no matter how simple it may be. Bye!